If your PC feels slow, unstable, or starts crashing while gaming, there are some powerful CMD commands that can check the real issues and fix them quickly. So let's fix the hidden problems on your PC and get a smoother gaming experience. So guys, open Windows Search, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Before we run the first command, I'll make this easier for you. You can grab the full txt file with all commands from my Discord server so you can copy and paste them instead of typing everything manually. Alright, now paste the first command, winget upgrade -- all. Press enter and let Windows check your installed apps. If it asks you to accept source agreements, type Y and press enter. This command updates all supported apps through Windows Package Manager. Outdated apps can cause crashes, broken features, launch errors, and compatibility problems after Windows updates. So before repairing deeper Windows files, we're removing common app-related issues first. Alright, now we're going to scan and repair corrupted Windows system files. Paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter, sfc/scannow. Let the scan reach 100% before moving to the next command. This can take a few minutes, depending on your system speed and how many files Windows needs to check. This command checks protected Windows system files and automatically repairs corrupted or missing files. So if you're dealing with random crashes, broken Windows features, failed updates, or strange system behavior, this is one of the best built-in repair tools to run first. Now we're going to repair the Windows image health. Paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter. DISM/online/cleanup-image/RestoreHealth. Now wait for the process to complete. This can take some time, so do not close Command Prompt while it is running. DISM repairs the Windows Component Store, which is what SFC uses when it needs clean system files. So if Windows has deeper corruption, broken update files, or repair sources that are damaged, this command can fix the base image first. Next, we're going to scan the drive for file system errors and bad sectors. Paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter, chkdsk/r. If Windows says the drive is in use and asks to schedule the scan on the next restart, type Y and press Enter. This command checks your drive for file system corruption, damaged sectors, and storage-related errors. These issues can cause freezing, random crashes, boot problems, slow loading, and corrupted files. This scan can take a long time, especially on larger drives or older hard drives, so let it finish completely once your PC restarts. Moving on, we're going to clear the DNS cache. Paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter. ipconfig/flushdns. This clears the old DNS records stored by Windows and forces your PC to request fresh ones again. If websites, launchers, game services, or online apps suddenly stop loading correctly, the DNS cache can sometimes be the reason. Clearing it is quick, safe, and can fix a lot of weird connection issues without changing your network settings. Once you see the message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed, move to the next command. After that, we're going to refresh the network connection. Paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter. ipconfig/release. This will release your current IP address from the router. Your internet may disconnect for a moment, and that is completely normal. Once that finishes, paste the next command and press Enter. ipconfig/renew. This requests a fresh IP address from your router and rebuilds the connection. This can fix strange network issues where your PC is connected, but websites, launchers, game servers, or online services are not responding properly. Once the connection comes back, move to the next command. Now we're going to completely reset the Windows network stack. First, paste this command into Command Prompt, then press Enter. netsh winsock reset. This resets winsock, which handles how Windows applications communicate with the network. Once that finishes, paste the second command and press Enter. netsh int IP reset. This resets the main TCP and IP settings back to default. Now paste the final command and press enter. netsh int TCP reset. This resets TCP-related network settings that can cause stubborn connection problems, unstable browsing, launcher issues, or online game connection errors. Alright, now we're going to check the health status of your drives. Paste this command into command prompt, then press enter. PowerShell. get-physical disk pipe format-table friendly name, media type, health status, operational status. Wait a few seconds for the results to appear. You should see your installed drives listed with their media type, health status, and operational status. If every drive shows healthy, then your storage is reporting normally. But if any drive shows something else, back up your important files as soon as possible. This gives you a quick health check before you keep using the system. A failing drive can cause slow boots, freezing, corrupted files, game crashes, and random Windows issues that software repairs cannot fully fix. Now we're going to scan Windows for power-related issues. Paste this command into command prompt, then press enter. powercfg/energy. Now leave your PC alone for around 60 seconds while Windows checks your system. Do not open apps or move around too much during the scan. Once the scan is complete, command prompt will show you the report location. Copy that full path, paste it into your browser's address bar, and press enter. This will open the full energy report. Here, you can check power policy issues, USB wake problems, devices blocking sleep, and drivers causing power-related errors. This is useful because some Windows power problems stay hidden inside normal settings menus. The report helps you find what is actually causing power or device behavior issues in the background. That's it, guys. Run these CMD commands and keep your PC more stable for gaming with fewer crashes, smoother launches, and cleaner performance.